today we'll study about riverboat problems. Right? Relative velocity is painful. I'm telling it is painful, but this is the thing from which you have the slightest chance of getting question from kinematics. Snehita madam, cheppandi quickly.
Sir, in yesterday's last problem, we didn't say option C, sir.
Those all discussions on the afternoon only. Now let me proceed with the syllabus.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So in riverboat problem, let me first what we will calculate. So we will come one by one. Ashuti, go ahead. So first we will calculate about.
Yep.
Tell me.
Sir, riverboat problems are there for exam, sir.
Yesterday I showed you the syllabus, na?
Not there.
I showed the syllabus, na? Syllabus for the exam.
Yes, sir.
There was detailed, na? Two-dimensional relative motion. Did you see or not?
Yes, sir.
It includes everything.
Okay.
Time to cross the river. Second, calculation of horizontal drift. Third, minimum time to cross a river and condition for it. Fourth one, shortest path to cross a river and condition for it. So these are the four things that we have to study. Time to cross the river, calculation of horizontal drift, minimum time to cross a river and condition for it, shortest path to cross a river and condition for it. So without worrying much about what we need to do, let us proceed with the theory first. So let us consider that this is the two river banks and the width of the river is taken to be D. Suppose initially a boat is here at point A, right? And I'm assuming that velocity of the water, that means velocity of the river, is equal to 0. So water is not flowing. If water is not flowing, it is called still water, right? So in still water, in whichever direction the boat will intend to move, Sritan, in whichever direction.
Hello.
Hi.
Sir, there is no clarity in your audio, sir. It is tracking.
What is tracking? Okay, I'll see. Okay, fine. So I said,
Hello,
yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
My audio is clear only, na?
There is no clarity in your audio.
Okay, people are saying it's okay only.
My voice not.
But actually, I am not getting your audio. Your audio is getting fractioned actually. So check your connection once and come back. Okay, no? Okay, chalo. Fine. So it is still water. So then I'm saying that in whichever direction the boat is intending to move, like if it intends to move in this direction, it will move in this direction. If it wants to move in this direction, it can move in this direction or in this direction, like this, correct? So what I'm trying to say here actually, that in still water, the initial direction of motion of a boat is same as the actual direction of motion. Motion of the boat. I hope this point is clear to everyone. You got this point right now? So that means if a person is here, as usual, Mr. Pushkar Kale is standing on the ground. He is the observer. So he will observe that in whichever direction the boat is moving, it is the actual, it's moving in that direction only. Why? Because the water current is zero. There is no water current at all. But what will happen? This is case 1. Case 1. What happen if water current is there? Now case 2. Yes. In case 2. So for case 2, I will just quickly come for one visual representation. Just quickly. This happens. Right? In the direction of the river flow, boats will be floated. Whichever direction it tries to move, but it ultimately has to be influenced by the velocity of water in a particular direction. So next I'm saying that I'm taking the same diagram. This is the point A from which the boat is intending to move. This is just the opposite point of A on the river bank. This is B. The boat is initially trying to move in this direction, but I am assuming that the river is flowing in the rightward direction. In this direction river is flowing. So that is velocity of the water current. So this boat will be pulled by the water current in the rightward direction, VW, and ultimately it will end up in moving along this direction. Is it okay? This diagram is clear for everyone? I'm taking this point as C and this point as D. Now I will mark here, I will mark few points over here. So try to understand that AC, I'm writing here, AC is the initial direction of the motion of the boat. AC is the initial direction of the motion of the boat, right? AD is the actual direction of the motion of the boat. Is that okay? Pushkar is still standing here and watching everything that is happening. So what the observer will see? What is the observer's take? The observer will see that the boat is initially floated. The boat was initially floated in the water along AC, but due to water current, water current is along I cap in the rightward direction, but due to water current, the boat is carried away in the rightward direction hence it ended up moving along AD. Is that okay? So with respect to ground, in which direction the boat is moving? Actually, the boat is moving along AD. Pritam?
Sir, where is the observer standing?
Observer is here. Mr. Pushkar Kale is standing here.
So no, sir, is he in the ground or is he in the water?
No, he is on the ground. If he cannot swim actually. Pushkar cannot swim.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
So this is ground. Okay. Right. So this point is clear to everyone. I hope so. So this difference is nothing but horizontal drift. So I'll mention here that basically CD here, this is the horizontal drift. Okay. Up to this point, I will wait for a couple of minutes. Any doubt, any emotion, frustration, go for it quickly. I'll just wait for a couple of minutes. Yogananda?
Sir, in always solving these type of questions, we should solve the problems considering with respect to ground or water.
It depends. It depends on the complexity level of the question. Okay. It depends. I will come one by one. First, let me now. As of now, everything with respect to ground.
Okay.
Right. Yes, Shashivardhan.
Sir, can you scroll up for case 1, sir?
Case 1, yeah. This is case 1.
And sir, we should take this total river and boat problems with third person point of view.
As observed from the ground.
Okay, sir.
Raza?
Sir, that CD means horizontal drift.
Tell me.
CD, what is CD, sir?
Horizontal drift, yes.
That means?
That means where the boat was intending to move and ultimately where it is landing.
Okay, okay.
So that means the margin by which it has missed its target.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right? Yeah. So it is easy to understand in this way. Suppose on 14th of February, with tons of roses, you started to move along this line to reach the destination here. Here somebody is waiting. So because of the water current moving in the rightward direction, you will miss your date in 14th February by this much. So you have to take another bus or train to come back along the same line to transfer those tons of roses to this point. No, there is no vertical drift. Altaf? There is no vertical drift. Right, chalo. So let's proceed now. So now we will see that how stepwise we'll solve these questions. So we'll move across few steps. Step 1. And step 1. Step 1 is a very simple step. I'm writing assign the initial point of motion as the origin of coordinate. Right. So here this point A you are observing now. This is the initial point of motion. So this will be chosen as origin. So coordinate will be 0, 0. This is step 1. What is step 2? Step 2 is the most important step. And that step is draw a neat and clean vector diagram. Although the point 2 sounds very silly, that sir eventually will draw vector, but this is having huge significance, because if your diagram is not neat and it is not clear as per conceptual point of view, you will completely mess up with such kind of questions. So now let me do step 1 and step 2 simultaneously. So this is one bank of the river, and continuously draw these lines so that you get a perfect clarity regarding the diagram. So this is the other bank of the river. This is starting point A. Directly opposite to that, we're getting a point B. Right? And the boat has initially started off. The boat has initially started off in this direction. So this is the, if I take this is point C. So this is velocity of the boat with respect to water. Be careful. This is the velocity of the boat in water, correct? Water is flowing in which direction? Water is flowing in the rightward direction. This is the velocity of water. So this is velocity of water, because of which the boat is forced to move along this line. This is point D. So this is velocity of the boat as seen from ground. Right? I will take this angle as theta. So be careful. What is theta? Theta is the angle between VBW vector and positive x-axis. Or if this is theta, can I write this is also theta, corresponding angle? Or theta is the angle between VBW vector and VW vector. Origin coordinate A is 0, 0. This is a D. The river width is actually assumed to be D. It is assumed to be D. Is that clear to everyone? Draw this diagram first with utmost care. Anyone having doubt in this diagram, feel free to go for it. Yes, please, Sriram.
Sir, is observer at point A?
Observer is at ground only. He is here.
I asking at point A, sir, not on the ground.
A is on the ground itself, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Akash.
Sir, the velocity of boat with respect to ground, that is AD is equal to velocity of boat with respect to water plus velocity of water with respect to ground.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the thing only. That is the only thing you need to understand here. We are applying triangle law of vector addition here.
Okay,
The
sir.
moment you understand this is hell easy.
Okay, sir.
No. I did not say that. It is perpendicular to AB. I have taken a random motion. Correct only? So now let us move on to the next step 3. What is step 3? Step 3 is use component division method of vector addition. Use component division method of vector addition. Use component division method of vector addition. Now everyone come for the diagram. Check. What is the component? I mean, this is point A. This is the direction of V boat with respect to water. This is the angle theta I have taken. So what is the component along this line? Simply VBW cos theta. What is the component along this line? That is also very simple. That is VBW sin theta. Right? Is that clear to everyone? It's a very simple thing. We're studying it for long. Achha, now I'm writing. You see here now. Velocity of the boat with respect to ground is equal to velocity of the boat with respect to water plus velocity of water with respect to ground. Is that okay? Is that okay? Clear? Right. So what is the velocity of boat with respect to water? It has two components. So we can write V BW cos theta I cap plus V BW sin theta j cap. Right? What is the velocity of water with respect to ground? That is VW I cap. So with slight rearrangement of this term, V boat with respect to ground is coming to be VBW cos theta plus VW I cap plus VBW sin theta j cap. Tell me, Up to this, anyone has any doubt? Please go for it. Yes, Rahul?
Sir, VBW means velocity
Velocity of boat in water.
boat in water. Boat
Yes.
with respect to water.
Same thing only.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Shashivardhan?
Sir, velocity of water with respect to ground and velocity of water both are same, no, sir?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. So now I will note down two simple points here. Very simple point, all of you know, but still I'm writing. Two simple points. I'm writing motion along x direction is because of x component of resultant velocity of the boat. Right? And with what respect to ground you are asking? With what with respect to ground you are asking? Tell me. Next.
Velocity, sir.
Which
Velocity.
Velocity of what? Velocity of what? Next, motion along y direction is because of y component of resultant velocity of the boat. So v boat with respect to ground, how? No, not how. I'm not putting it on you. See, if you want to swim in the river and we want to check what is the velocity of the boat, you can check. No problem. Here I have put my observer in the ground. I have told this for 1,000 times. I'm continuously showing that this entire phenomena is being observed with respect to ground. Here is the observer sitting. He is observing what's happening. Now, if you have any other intention, then no, sir, I want to swim in the river along with the boat and I want to check what's happening. You are free to do it. Nobody is stopping you. Okay, now? Right. So here in the beginning, if you see, I have assigned one observer in the ground. He is observing what's happening. So all the values we're trying to calculate as observed by the observer standing on the ground. I hope it's clear now. Right. So you do one thing. You take this point as point number 1 and you take this point as point number 2. Correct. Now here I will write another interesting thing. Now you come to the diagram. You come to the diagram. All of you see now. Here you see. See, you come to this diagram. In what direction water is flowing? This is the direction water is flowing. VW. See, this component of velocity of the boat is along J cap, right? And water is flowing along I cap. So, water velocity cannot influence the motion along y axis. Is that point clear? If it is not clear, I will just give you a simple description. Check. Suppose this is V water and this is VBW sine theta. You take this angle as 90 degree. So if I want to take component of VW along this line, what component will get? VW cos 90 degree. What is that? 0. So what is the point I am writing here? I am writing VW cannot influence the motion of the board along y direction. Is this point clear? I will take a pause here. I will take few questions. Yes, Akash, tell me.
Sir, if the angle is not 90 degrees,
Then it will have influence. Then it will have influence.
and the velocity along the x direction of the boat will be influenced by the velocity of water.
Yes. In that case, I mean, that will be too complicated, but just I will show you represent, I will just represent diagrammatically. Suppose the case that you are asking, that let us imagine that water is flowing like this. This is V water, correct? And I'm taking, but that's for representation, huh? No mathematics you will do, just for to make you understand. And this is velocity of the boat with respect to water, correct? So I am taking this angle, this entire angle to be theta, and I am taking this angle to be alpha, correct? So along x direction, this is VW cos alpha and this will be VBW cos theta. So resultant will be this much. Along y,
Why we are adding, sir? We should subtract now because it is relative velocity.
yeah, no, it's not relative velocity. It is the velocity observed from ground.
Oh, okay, sir.
It is not relative velocity. Be careful, huh? And here it will be VBW sine theta plus VW sine alpha. I hope you got it now.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, it will influence both x as well as y. But we are taking the simplest case, that is this case. They are perpendicular. So if they are perpendicular, then it will not influence the motion along y direction.
And sir, in the motion along x direction, sir, we have to add, no, sir?
Yes, add only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay. So here I will put it like this. This works as an exception. Like in chemistry, you only study about exception. So this is an exception. Right. Okay. So can we move ahead? Any other doubt, please, regarding this point? Go for it if anyone has any doubt. Thank you very much. Yeah. So let me go for the final state calculation. Right. Now I'm writing from 1. From 1 I can write x. What is x? Distance moved along x-axis. So x is equal to velocity of the boat with respect to ground. Its x component into time t. Right now, how much is the x component? You come here. This is x component. Right now, so what shall I write here? I'll write VBW cos theta plus VW that into t. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, now? Then from proposition 2, y direction, y is equal to velocity of the boat with respect to ground along y into t. Come here. What is the y? This is y component. Right? So that will be equal to V BW sine theta that into T. Correct only? While crossing a river, can I write y is equal to d? Tell me, my dear friends, can you see this is d along y direction? Width of the river has to be crossed, so this is a d. So how much we'll write? Then we'll write d is equal to V BW sine theta that into T. So how much T you got? T we got T divided by V BW sine theta. So here comes the equation. This is yes, Raja, tell me. Raja, can you hear me? So this is the time to cross the river. Is that okay? I will again wait for a couple of minutes here to take the questions. Anyone has any slightest amount of doubt also, go ahead for it. Yes, Raja, tell me. Yogananda?
Sir, here horizontal drift is along x-axis, no sir?
Yes.
Then
yes.
why did you took y is equals to d?
Arey Baba, to cross the river, I am taking, if you are crossing the river, what is the y distance you are moving? This is along y, na?
Okay, sir. Okay.
This is x-axis and this is y-axis, na re?
Okay, sir.
So along y, how much is moving? D.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Likhita?
Sir, when the angle is taken with x-axis, then it is sine theta. When it is taken with vertical, we have to write cos theta.
Yes.
And if the boat is traveling opposite directly, then it will move with something perpendicular.
Wait. Everything will come. Just wait.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Rahul?
Sir, that formula is based on component of velocity of boat is anti-parallel, no sir, to flow of water.
Which will be anti-parallel? Anti-parallel means opposite. It is not opposite, na? Perpendicular to it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Morning,
when
sir.
will horizontal drift be 0, sir?
Beta, I will come to all these points one by one. No hurry. Chicken, I will take every single thing.
Sir, BW cos theta will be equal to velocity of water, sir.
When?
When drift will be 0.
I will
Horizontal.
come. Now, no point I will tell about this. Just wait for some time. See, actually, I am trying to do this very painstakingly because the year you are going to give JEE advanced examination, there is a high chance one question will come from here. Right? So just let me finish the theory. The moment I will come to the question segment, I will see that how much roller coaster ride you want to have. Just wait for that day.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Joshika madam, cheppandi.
Sir, what is the resultant velocity of the boat?
This is the resultant velocity of the boat. Just wait. This is the resultant velocity of the boat. This one. This one.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. Yes, Puneet. Mr. Puneet.
Is there no acceleration, sir?
There is no acceleration. V is constant. Every single velocity we are taking here, all are constant. There is no acceleration.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Fine. So that's enough. Now, yes, v boat is constant. All velocities are constant. Correct. So now you see from equation 1, x is equal to, can I write VBW cos theta plus VW into d by VBW sin theta. Correct. I'm just substituting the value of d. So the moment it is substituted, what is this x? This x will become horizontal drift. Thank you, Shivani. Horizontal drift. This will become horizontal drift. So now what is horizontal drift as per the diagram? As per the diagram, horizontal drift is CD. You can check here now. This is x. So CD is equal to VBW, if I take it inside, cot theta plus VW cosecant theta into d divided by VBW. So this is the formula for horizontal drift. Wait, I will give time. Don't raise your hand first. I will give time. No problem. So this is horizontal drift. This is horizontal drift. Well, now let me take the question. Yes, Raza, tell me.
Sir, now you can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Sir, before y is equal to the house, sir, that from...
See, Raja, when a person is crossing a river, no. So I have taken the river width to be d. So this distance I have taken to be d. So this motion is along y-axis.
Okay, sir.
Are you understanding now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
before that, you didn't give me the option, sir, to mute.
I gave now. Somehow it's not working actually. I don't know what happened.
So I log in from another device.
Okay. This Zoom is actually, what can I say here? The Zoom is creating a lot of trouble. Even day before yesterday, all of a sudden my system hanged only in your class only, na? The system hanged all of a sudden.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, a lot of malwares are being infected to my system. I'm not understanding whether they are stealing data or what. I'm not understanding here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Snehita madam, Cheppandi.
Sir, now X is BD no, sir, not CD no.
X is CD no, madam. This
We are
one
going
only.
from A to D no, sir. That means vertical distance is BA and horizontal distance is BD no, sir.
No, madam. No, madam. I am trying to make you understand that much only, madam. Drop the perpendicular, madam, here. Enta vachindi? CD only, na?
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone else with a doubt, please go either all gun blazing, my dear friends. So first two things are calculated. I will show this from the beginning again. Yes, here is this. So two things I have already calculated. That is this time to cross the river and calculation of horizontal drift. Both are over. Mr. Altaf.
Sir, can you give your phone number?
My phone number is with everybody. You are the last person to get it. 8697-439870.
Tell slowly, sir.
8697-439870.
869743
8697-439870.
9870. Okay, sir.
So do we remember this formula? Never. Just to remember this formula, I am taking this much pain. Otherwise, I would have written, this is the formula. Chalo, mark up kar lo. You should understand the concept. This is highly conceptual portion. What we have done yesterday, since that was kind of bitangential for us, that is way too tough. So for that, I have said, remembering formula is the last option. Even after practicing for 10 times also you are not getting, then you have to remember the formula. But this one you have to understand. Okay, any more doubt, please? Everyone, go for it. Any doubt? No, na? Right. Let's go. Let us go now. So now let me add a page. Only 4 minutes are there, but still. So next I'm doing, if the boat starts in opposite direction, so before that I will mention one last point here that I mentioned. In this particular case, triple star, horizontal drift can never be zero. In this situation, drift can never be zero. There is no way drift can be zero in this case, the first case you have studied. Okay. It can be zero in this case. Now that I will see. So let me draw the diagram first. We have a beautiful river, like this is the Godavari, the mighty Godavari. Here is the East Godavari district in this region, Rajamundry and all those places. Am I right? Yes. I know East Godavari because there is a beautiful fish that can be taken, Pulasa. So this is B. And this river is flowing in the rightward direction now. Still it is flowing in the rightward direction. This is VW. But the boatman is now a little bit clever. I don't know clever or idiot, but he is clever. He is now channelizing his boat in this direction. So this is the direction of V boat with respect to water. Initial direction only. Be very careful about this. So this angle I'm taking it to be theta. Is this okay? Right now, fine. So what we will observe? We will observe that because of the water current is in this direction, this will be the ultimate speed at 3. This will be the actual direction of motion. Right now? Fine. Yeah. So this will be the direction V boat with respect to ground. So earlier this was V boat with respect to water. This is V boat with respect to ground. And I am taking this angle as alpha. I'm taking this entire angle as alpha. Is that okay now? Is this clear? Fine. So he was intending to move at this point, C, but comes up at this point, D. So in this process, you see one thing, drift is getting minimized. That means if his desired destination is B, he is coming closer to B. Is the diagram clear for everyone? Please respond me once. Right, no? So if I take the component now, check everyone, all of you. This will be VBW cos theta, and which direction it is? Minus I cap. Correct. This is VBW sin theta. What direction it is? J cap. Is that clear? Fine, no? Right. So that means I can write here straight away, velocity of the boat as observed from the ground. Our equation was velocity of the boat with respect to water plus velocity of water with respect to ground, that we have written. So from there I am writing now, here I am writing VBW, check it, VBW cos theta, what is the direction? Minus I cap, plus VBW sin theta, what is the direction? J cap. That's over. Water is flowing rightward only, so VW I cap. So what you are getting? You are getting VW minus VBW cos theta I cap plus VBW sin theta J cap. This is velocity of the boat with respect to ground, resultant velocity that we got earlier. So up to this much only we will do, because next class is right there. Tell me if there is any doubt to this. I'll just wait for a couple of minutes before your next class starts. Any doubt? Feel free to go for it. No doubt now? One doubt is there. Yes, Akash, tell me.
Sir, VW is the velocity of water with respect to ground.
Yes, yes, everything with respect to ground only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Raza?
Sir, earlier you gave 4 questions, right? Time to cross the river, calculation of horizontal drift.
Yeah.
We
Not
have
4
complete-
questions, 4 topic.
Okay, topic.
Yeah. Under those we are working on this. These are the topics actually to be covered here. So just till now we have covered only 2 topics.
Yes, sir, 2 topics.
Yeah. These are the yet to cover. Now I am covering those. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, at last you give highlightings of this topic, sir. That means what is that highlight?
Which highlight?
Main point to remember.
Which in previous?
No, in this topic only.
Yeah. That is the main equation actually, key equation, through which I will get those results.
At last you give, sir. I mean.
See, okay. Synopsis you are asking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I mean,
right.
at last.
Yeah. I got it. Okay. Yes, Rahul.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, from this equation, we E is equal to D by VBW cos theta.
No, sin theta only.
Sin theta.
This component is sin component only.
Okay, sir.
So there is no change in time to cross the river. That is same.
Okay.
This is X, this is Y. You got it?
Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah. Snehita?
Sir, is horizontal drift equals to VBW cos theta minus VW into D by VBW sin theta?
Yes, yes, yes. That's the horizontal drift. Yes, very good.
Thank
We
you,
will
sir.
discuss. We'll discuss about this, but now time is over. Okay, na?
Okay.
Chalo, bye everyone. See you in the afternoon session. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye. Have nice lunch. Enjoy the day.